Hi guys, and welcome to my channel, Crafting My Way. Well, today I'm going to be making a window frame, and I'm going to add also some um, stickers to my frame. These four picture frames, I had them a while. I got them from the Dollar Tree, and I decided to leave the gold trim. I really love gold when I'm working with the projects for Christmas, for the holiday. So I did go in with some elephant ear paint and painted a little gray onto that, leaving some of the brown from the frame so I can get that rustic look that I was looking for. And so I'm going to, as I say, add some stickers to this. And I did get the stickers from Echo Park company that I ordered it through Amazon, and it will be in my in my description below. So this is what I'm going to do with this. I really love the way it turned out, and I will add a little jute twine to the corners for little small flowers to go on the corners of that. And this is the stickers here, and I also and I have the scrap paper. I really love it, and I got some from the when I did some of my fall decors as well. So I really like this company. It's called Echo Parks Company. I don't get paid anything for saying this, but I just like the way that it looks. So I'm going to take some of the nice stickers and put them on my window here, and I just love, as I say, the way that it turned out. And this is the finishing of my picture frame. Tell me what you think, and please don't forget to comment and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, now this is the I got the acrylic paint from Walmart, the mop from the Dollar Tree, and I got this felt material also from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to make try my hand on a gnome. Never made one before, but I figured it shouldn't be that hard. So I decided to use, which you can use any and everything for their, to make the bodies out of. So I just decided to do with the vase here. So I will glue it down, my material, and kind of glue the bottom down so I can have a stable bottom on it. So I would do that, and I got from the dollar store also the hat, which is one of the little from the animal section in the Dollar Tree, like a little scarf for an animal. So I decided to use that for the hat. So I'm going to use this, and then for the nose I'm going to paint it this caramel color, which I got the I decided for the nose is a little big, but I decided I'm just still going to keep it this way. um, it's an ornament that I got from the Dollar Tree, so I decided I would use that for the nose, and so it still turned out to be fine. At the end I realized maybe I should have added some different little colors, but since it's my first one I decided to let it stay as is. I guess it will be okay. So I'm going to use the caramel color that I have to and then I'm going to blow dry it with my heat gun, and I will have that in the description below as well. I've had it for a while. I got it from Amazon. So I'm gonna dry the nose, and then I can get started. And I did get the mop from the Dollar Tree, as I said, and I'm going to use that for its little hair or whatever. And so I will be. And the mop handle, it just is good. It's not hard to work with. You have to unscrew it, and that's it. And I didn't do any cutting to it, just a little bit in the front so I could fit the nose down nicely in there. But other than that, this was it. I just used the mop handle here. I thought I was gonna have to just cut strings away, but I didn't have to do any cutting to the mop itself, and just um, put my little my nose there. And I just wanted that to fit down over the nose. And then trying to fit the little hat. So like I said, I just glued, I ended up gluing it together. Really didn't know how I wanted it to be or go or whatever, but anyway, I end up gluing it together after much trying different little ways, or whatever. So I do end up gluing it together and putting a little pump on at the end of the hat. And this is the finishing of my gnome, of my window frame. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me what you think. And this is a video that I lost footage on. I just wanted to share it that you guys can see. Please, again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.